Okay, starting with exercise 2.4, question number 3. We'll go ahead, continuing the exercise. Question number 3 is a word problem. I'll read the word problem for you all. The sum of two digits of a number is 9. Now, this is just like example 14 which we did, where the numbers difference was given, difference of 3. Now it is the sum of two digits, means if you take two digits and if you add them, okay, the sum of these two digits, if you add them, your answer should come 9. So let's take one number be x, that is in the unit ones place the number is x, then in the tens place it will be 9 minus x, okay, because the sum is given. So if one is x, the other will be, if you subtract that number by the number in the units place, if you subtract it by 9, you'll get the number in the tens place, okay. Something like this is the number. Also this is in the tens place, so it will be multiplied by 10, and this is in the ones place, so it will be multiplied by 1, okay. So what should be the total? 10 nines will give you 90. 10x, or let it be written like this only, we will do it afterwards. Also, when we interchange the digits, means this goes in units place and this comes in tens place, that is 10 into x and 9 minus x into 1, ones place. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting number is greater than the original number by 27. Means this number is greater than the original number by 27. Means if you add here 27, these both are equal, okay, they both are equal. So this is the mathematical expression of the question. This is what we have to solve. So now we are going to write what is given. Here I have written it for you. Solution: let the digit in ones place be x, then the digit in tens place gives you 9 minus x, then the number formed will be in tens place 9 minus x and in ones place x. On interchanging the number, then in tens place x comes and in ones place 9 minus x comes. Then according to the condition, now we will apply the condition that on interchanging, the new number which is formed is 27 more than the original number. So if we add here 27 or if we subtract here 27, we will get the equation equal, means these both numbers will be equal. So now we will write that here. Then according to the condition, short form of according, ACC dot, then conditions short form. Now we will solve this equation. So first we solve the bracket. 10 into 9 minus 10 into x, put the bracket here, plus x plus 27. 10 into x will give you 10x plus 9 minus x. 10 nines I will give you 90 minus 10x plus x plus 27. 10x minus x will give you 9x plus 9. Again minus 10x and this is minus x. Plus x. So plus minus will give you minus. So 10 minus 1 will give you 9. Sign होगा बड़े number का, that is 10 का, that is minus. So 90 minus 9x plus 27 is equal to 9x minus 9. Now all the variables we will bring this side and all the constants we will give that side. 90 plus 27 also we can do. So 0 and 7 will give you 7 and 117. Okay, now this will go that side, constant, and variables will come this side. So minus 9x, this is already minus, and this is positive, it comes this side and it becomes minus, and minus 9, this is positive, it goes that side and it becomes negative. Okay, now we are going to solve. Here, minus minus becomes plus, so 9 plus 9 becomes 18. Answer will be negative because both are negative, so minus 18x. And this also minus minus becomes plus, so we'll add, this is 126, this is also negative. Okay, now we need the value of x, so 18 will be transposed that side, so it is in multiplication, it will become division. Sign will be cancelled. Now 18 and 9 both are divisible by, 126 and 9 both are divisible by 9, so 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, and 9 twos are 18. Again both are divisible by 2, 2 ones are and 2 sevens are. So the value of x is 7. So now we'll find out the number, the original number. We had written what? 10 into 9 minus x plus x. Now we'll put the value 10, 9 minus 7 plus 7. So it will be 20. That is 9 minus 7 will give you 2. So 10 into 2 plus 7, that is 20. 20 plus 7 is 27. Okay. So this is your original number, and your on interchanging, x and 9 minus x is this correct 27. So this is your answer. On interchanging, you'll get 72. This completes your question number 3. This is a mistake, children, which I have made. I am very sorry. This is what? Plus. So this is plus. That means we will subtract. Okay, 117 से किसको subtract करेंगे? 9 को subtract करेंगे. So 117 minus 9. This is 108. So here 108 will come. 108 and 18. Negative sign will be cancelled. 9 twos are and 12s are. So the value of x will be 6 actually. So this is 6. This is 6. This is 10. 3s are 30. So it will be 37. So the answer, I will have to check the answer, otherwise everything is correct. Here. So the original number is 36, and if you interchange the number, it becomes 63, and 63 is 27 more than 36. This completes your question number 3. Finally,